Good afternoon, my friends, and welcome back to another job lead video. I am so happy to hear in the comments that a lot of things that I've been posting have been working out and you've been putting in your applications. I will be keeping my fingers crossed that you all land your dream job. So I will keep this one very quick this afternoon. This is for my people that have been requesting customer service positions. AT&T is hiring for a lot of customer service positions. So in the description below, I will leave the link to this main page, and then I've got one of these positions opened up so I can quickly go over it. But if you notice, all of these positions really say the same, but they have a state associated with them. So like South Dakota, Indiana, Illinois, Wisconsin. And if you scroll all the way down, you'll see the next button. If you click next, then you'll get a new page all with the exact same title, but then you need to look for the state that you live in and apply to that one. So they have one for pretty much every single state. So jumping right on in, AT&T is hiring for customer service representative. They are offering a $3,000 sign-on bonus, and they are providing equipment. So let's just look at a few things. They are hiring work from home, but it says in order to qualify for the work from home position, you must reside in one of the following states: Illinois, Indiana, South Dakota, or Wisconsin. And that's because I opened up the Indiana job one. So make sure when you're on this main page that is linked below that you find your state and open up the one that is relevant to your state if you would like to apply. So they are asking people to be able to efficiently navigate between multiple systems to resolve complex customer concerns as it relates to one or more AT&T products or services. You'll be able to uncover the customer wants, interests, and needs in each interaction you have with the customer and effectively save the product or offer additional products or services. They want someone who can demonstrate self-sufficiency through utilizing various support tools and be able to utilize communication tools and, of course, perform basic troubleshooting with AT&T products and services. This is a full-time position, 40 hours per week, and they do have the flexibility to work any schedule during the hours of operation, or they ask that you have the flexibility to work any schedule during hours of operation. Their current business hours are Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 9 p.m., and Saturday and Sunday, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. For their work from home requirements, they want to verify that you do have current active internet service, but it does say the company will provide the equipment, which includes keyboard, monitor, computer, mobile device, etc. You must maintain a workspace in alignment with their work from home standards, so noise levels, clean desk, all of that, and be available to work your schedules and shifts. So what's in it for you? So they offer several benefits. It says that you get paid training, but you will be required to complete from home, and they'll give you resources to encourage your career growth. But they also do offer competitive compensation packages anywhere from $15.69 an hour, which is $627.50 a week, to $17.63 an hour, which is $705 a week. So if you already have customer service experience, you will probably be on the high end of $17.63 an hour, which is not bad for a work from home position. You don't have to use gas and travel. You don't have to have work clothes. You don't have to have lunches out. I have been in the office game, and I tell you, no more. They do also offer eligible AT&T wireless plans, up to 2 accounts per employee, up to 10 lines per account. They offer AT&T internet and free AT&T UVerse. So you do get free services for working for the company. So if you are one of my few viewers that do like customer service positions and you do apply to this, comment down below and let me know. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.